This was Bullseye practice today with the Cadet, and shooter cam there, and then there's a target out at 50 before I moved it in to 25 for this time fire target, and this went pretty well considering how windy it was. The first 5 were all in or on the 10 ring, so that went pretty well. Then the second 5 coming up here also went pretty darn well. This gun has 33,000 rounds through it, but it's the gun I shoot best, and certainly fits me the best. So, good pistol, good day. It's funny, I don't worry about it so much when it's this windy because my expectations are low. It helps. So, I always shoot pretty well on a windy day.